Hello everyone. This is the part 2 of Marksheet series of spreadsheet tutorial. Till now we have calculated total, percentage as well as the result. Now we will discuss how to calculate the grades. For that, let me give a new column with a name called grade. To calculate the grade, we will use the same if function that we have used while calculating the result. Let us see how if function works again. Okay, in a if condition we will be having a logical expression. A logical expression can be true or can be false. We will write a statement if it is true and we will write a different statement if it is false. So how we can write the if statement? We have to write the equal sign first, then if, then bracket open, then we have to write the logical expression, then we have to give the comma, then the value we want if the logical expression is true, we have to write that one, then again we have to give comma, and after that we have to write the statement we want if the logical expression is false, then we have to close the bracket. For our convention, let me take if a person or if a candidate or a student gets marks between 81 to 100, we will grade that student as A grade. If the percentage is between 61 to 80, okay, then we will give him B grade. If the percentage is between 41 to 60, then C. If the percentage lies between 31 and 40, then we will give D grade. And if percentage is less than 31 and the student have minimum marks less than 30 in any one of the subjects, or he or she is fail already, then we will give F grade. So this will be our convention. So how we have to check the logical expression is quite like this. First of all, we have to check if the student is fail or not. If fail, then we will give F grade. Okay, then if student is not failed, then we have to check if the percentage is greater than 80. If it is greater than 80, then we will give A grade. Okay, if not, then we will check again if percentage is greater than 60. If it is, then we will give B grade. If not, then again we will check if percentage is greater than 40 or not. If yes, then C grade, else we will give D grade. So this will be our convention to give the grade. Okay, this will be our criteria for grading system. Let me write the formula in the Google Sheet. Let me write the formula in my Google Sheet. First of all, we have to write the equal sign, then if. Okay, at first we will check if the student is fail or not. How to check that? We will take the minimum mark. Okay, if the minimum mark is less than 30, then the student will be fail. So where is our minimum marks? In H2 cell. Okay, we will check H2 is less than 30. Then if it is true, we will give F grade. We have to give the grade inside double inverted commas inside the quotes. Then comma again. Then we have to write if. Then we have to write some statement if the logical expression is false. If student is not fail, then we will check for more grades. Okay, then where is our percentage? In the G2 cell. So we will check the G2 cell. Again we can write inside the if, we can write one more if statement. If we will check G2 colon, if G2 is greater than 80. Okay, if the student gets more than 80, means 81 to 100, then we will give him A grade. If not, okay, if not, then what? We have to check again. Again we can write the if condition. Again we will check the grade, percentage. Our percentage is present in G2 cell. Again we will check if it is greater than 60 or not. Then we will give him, if it is greater than 60, then we will give B grade. Okay. If not, then we will check again. Okay. What was our convention? From 41 to 60, we need to give C grade. So we will check again if it is greater than 40 or not. If, okay, again if statement, we have to check the G2 cell. If G2 is greater than 40, then we will give C grade. Okay. And if it is not greater than 40, it should be less than 40, and as well as we have already checked the fail, we don't have to check again. We can directly give the rest of the participants D grade. Rest of the students D grade. Then we have to match the brackets and we can enter to get the result. You can check, we have received the B grade here. We can autofill. We can use the autofill feature to fill up the remaining grades field. You can see, as the student is fail, the respective grade is F. Here also the student is fail, he or she is getting F grade. And here A grade is, he is getting A grade because his percentage is 95. B grade, okay, because his percentage is greater than 60 and less than 81. Okay, so like that you can calculate the grades. Let me discuss the formula once again. So I have written equal sign if, then we have checked if the student is failed or not. So I have checked the minimum mark, if H2 is less than 30, if yes, then I have given F grade, then comma. If not, then I have checked for the percentage. If percentage is greater than 80, I have given A grade. If percentage is not greater than 80, then I have checked again the percentage. If it is greater than 60, B grade. If not, then I have checked again. If it is greater than 40, then I have given C grade. If not, then I have given D grade. So accordingly, you will get the grades. So it is very easy to calculate the grades if you wisely use the logic, and you can do the same thing manually, but if you need to change the marks in some time, okay, you don't have to change the grade if you use the formula or the functions. Let me show you. Here this person is getting C grade. If I change one of his marks, let me change these marks to 23, and he should be failed as well as his grade should be F grade. Let me enter the marks. You can see now the result of this person is fail as well as the grade is F. So using this method, using the if condition, we can calculate grades for our mark sheets. Thank you everyone. We will see you in the next video.